In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on Metatrader 5. This method lets you log into your Metatrader 5 mobile app quickly without typing a login password or selecting a server. It's fast, secure when used correctly, and perfect if you're setting up the app on a new phone or just want a smoother sign-in. Start by opening the Metatrader 5 app on your phone. Once the app is open, you'll go to the area where you can add an account. On Android, tap the menu icon in the top corner, choose Manage Accounts, and then tap the plus sign to add a new one. On iPhone, go to Settings and select New Account. Both paths take you to the same place, where you can choose how to sign in. Look for the QR login option. Depending on your version, it may say Sign in with QR code, or you may see a small QR icon. Tap that option. If this is your first time, your phone may ask for permission to use the camera. Grant access so the app can scan properly. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code. Hold it steady, keep the code well lit, and make sure it's centered and clearly visible on your screen. You don't have to press a shutter button. The app detects the code automatically. Within a moment, Metatrader 5 will log you in and fill everything in for you, so there's no need to type your login, password, or server. If you're wondering where to find the QR code you need to scan, you usually get it from Metatrader 5 on your desktop computer or from your broker's platform. On the desktop version of MT5, open your trading account and look for the option that displays a QR code for mobile login. Many brokers also provide a QR code inside their client area specifically for connecting the MT5 mobile app. These codes are generated to let your phone connect instantly. A few important tips to keep everything smooth and secure. QR login only works if the code comes from MT5 desktop or your broker, so avoid scanning anything from untrusted sources. Make sure your camera permission is enabled on your phone so the app can read the code. And keep your QR code private. Treat it like a password because it grants access to your account. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to Add Account, choose the QR option, scan the code from MT5 desktop or your broker, and you're in. Simple, fast, and no typing required.